Guys, nag-breed na naman yung mga goldfish ko. This is the first batch and they are already hatched. Kaya nilipat ko sila sa mas malaking nilagyan, which is this blue tab. By the way, itong blue tab nga pala nabili ko sa Nueva Pet Center. You can message them on their Facebook page. So nilipat ko sila dito sa blue tab para mas malaki yung space and also masyadong maliit yung previous container nila for them. Right now, meron na naman tayong binibreed. I think my goldfish really wanna make me rich. So after hand breeding them, nilipat ko sila sa container na to, then after 3 days, hatch na sila. So meron na naman tayong additional from this 1,000 of fry plus this new batch, and I am super excited to share them with you. Pero ang tanong, ano nga ba ang mga pwede nating ipakain sa mga ganito kaliliit na goldfish? And ako, ang pinapakain ko pag ganito kaliit pa lang yung mga goldfish is BBS. If hindi mo pa naririnig kung ano ang BBS, it is a baby brine shrimp. They are a small creature na pwedeng kainin ng mga goldfish mo, especially when they are super young like this. And here's how I hatch them. First, kailangan mo ng isang container. I highly suggest this setup. Then after you have this setup, you just need the water, salt, and baby brine shrimp. And if you're looking for one, stop looking. Just click the yellow basket. I got this baby brine shrimp from Betamax. And the hatch rate is really amazing. So let's start hatching them. And as you can see, nilagyan ko siya ng tubig, hindi ganun kapuno. Nilagyan ko rin siya ng 2 tablespoon of salt. Yes po, 2 tablespoon of salt. Yung salt lang na nandyan sa mga kusina nyo. Pero hindi yung maliliit na yung iodized salt. Hindi yun. Yung rock salt. And then, lagyan mo lang ng air stone. And for the final step, pwede mo nang ilagay yung baby brine shrimp. Depende sa'yo kung gaano karami. And as for me, naglalagay ako ng 3 teaspoon of baby brine shrimp. Kasi sobrang dami kong inaalagaan na baby fry. After doing all these things, antay ka lang ng 24 hours and then ma-hatch na sila. And if you're looking for a rancho, message me. I also have a merch, so if you're looking for a goldfish merch, you can buy one from me. And that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!